Virtual LANs is one of the reasons to use pfSense, and there's no problem doing this while virtualizing pfSense on Proxmox. Start by opening a shell in Proxmox. Here you will have to enter two commands. The first one is apt space update. The next one is apt space install space openvswitch-switch. Press Y, then enter to start the installation. Both of these commands will be in the video description. When it's done installing, navigate to Network. Here you can click Create followed by OVS Bridge. You can add a comment if you wish, then click Create. Next, click Create again, but this time click OVS int port. Name it VLAN followed by a number you wish the VLAN to have. Also add the VLAN number to VLAN tag, then click Create. Repeat this for all the VLANs you wish to create. When you are done creating VLANs, click Apply Configuration, then Yes. Now, click your pfSense VM and navigate to Hardware. Click Add followed by Network Device. Expand Bridge and select the OVS bridge you created. Then click Add. You can now head over to pfSense. Here, expand the menu for interfaces. Then click Assignments. Navigate to VLANs. Then click Add. Expand the menu for Parent Interface. Then add the interface you wish to use. Add the number to VLAN tag. This will have to be the same as one of the ones in Proxmox. You can also add a description if you wish. Now, navigate over to Interface Assignments. Expand the drop-down menu next to Available Network Ports and select your VLAN, then click Add. You can now click the name to the left of it. Click the checkbox at the top to enable the interface, and give it a name next to Description. Expand the drop-down menu next to IPv4 configuration type and click Static IPv4. Next to IPv4 address, type in an IP address you wish to use for the network. You can also change the network mask to 24. Click Save, then Apply Changes. Next, navigate to Services, then DHCP Server. Click the VLAN you created. Check the box next to Enable DHCP Server on VLAN. Then type in a range of IP addresses you wish the DHCP server to deal out on the network. When done, scroll down and hit Save. To create more VLANs, start over from Interfaces. When you are done creating VLANs, you will have to create a few firewall rules. To do that, expand Firewall, then click Rules. You can do a lot with rules, but for now I will go over a few examples. Click the first VLAN, then click one of the Add buttons. This is a network I want to be able to access everything, so I'll let the action stay to pass, change protocol to anything, then click Save, followed by Apply Changes. I do not wish for people on the guest VLAN to be able to access the rest of the network, so I will change action to block, protocol to any, then destination to one of the VLANs I do not wish for guests to be able to access. This will have to be done for all the networks you do not wish for guests to be able to access. For the IoT network, I do not wish it to be able to access anything other than itself, not even the internet. Action can stay at pass, then protocol changed to any, and then destination set to itself. When you are done with firewall rules, you can head over to Proxmox again. To add a VLAN to a virtual machine, navigate to the desired VM, then Hardware, then click Add, and in the drop-down menu, click Network Device. Expand the drop-down menu next to Bridge, and select your VLAN interface. Next to VLAN tag, add the number of the VLAN you wish it to have, then click Add. The virtual machine should now be able to access the VLAN. You can also pass the VLANs out of the Proxmox server by clicking your node, then Network. Here, you will need the name of an unused physical interface. If you don't have any unused ones, you can take it from one of the other bridges. Then, edit your OVS bridge and type in the name of the physical interface into bridged ports. Click OK and apply the configuration. You can then give pfSense a quick reboot to avoid any minor issues that might arise. When pfSense comes back up again, you should be able to access the VLANs, given you have a managed switch set up correctly. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.